In an era dominated by instant communication through emails, text messages, and social media, the traditional letter may seem like a relic of the past. Yet, letters remain a powerful and meaningful medium of communication, offering a sense of depth and personal connection that digital modes often lack, a touch of humanity, unlike digital messages, which are fleeting and often impersonal. Letters carry an emotional weight. The physical act of writing a letter, choosing the words, penning them down, and sending the letter conveys thoughtfulness and care. This tactile experience cannot be replicated by typing on a keyboard or tapping on a screen. The receiver not only reads the words but also senses the sender's emotions in the handwriting, choice of stationery, and even the scent of the paper, a lasting memory. Letters provide a tangible record of memories and relationships. In the digital world, messages are often deleted or lost in the vast expanse of cyberspace. Letters, on the other hand, can be preserved for decades. They become cherished keepsakes, evoking nostalgia and providing insights into the thoughts and feelings of the past. Historical letters, such as those written by famous personalities or during significant events, serve as invaluable resources for historians and researchers, a break from the instantaneous. The digital age is characterized by instant communication, where responses are expected. Within seconds. This often leads to rushed and shallow interactions. Writing and receiving letters, however, is a slower process that encourages reflection and patience. It allows individuals to express themselves more thoughtfully and engage in meaningful communication. Bridging distances. In times of separation, letters have always been a bridge between loved ones. Even in the digital age, letters can create a sense of intimacy that a text or email cannot achieve. For instance, a handwritten letter to a soldier deployed far away or a note from a loved one can provide comfort and a sense of closeness. A unique form of expression, the digital age has brought uniformity in communication with standard fonts and formats. Letters, however, allow for creativity and individuality. Handwritten notes, calligraphy, or drawings in the margins make each letter unique. These personal touches add an extra layer of significance to the message. Challenges in the digital age. Despite their importance, letters face challenges in the digital age. The convenience and speed of digital communication make it the preferred choice for most people. Furthermore, the younger generation may lack the skills or patience to write letters, having grown up with instant messaging. Reviving the tradition. To ensure that the art of letter writing does not fade away, efforts must be made to preserve this tradition. Schools and families can encourage letter writing as a creative and educational activity. Organizations can promote the practice by celebrating events like National Letter Writing Day. Conclusion. In the fast-paced digital age, letters offer a meaningful way to connect on a deeper level. They stand as a testament to human emotion, creativity, and the value of patience. While technology continues to evolve, the timeless charm and importance of letters remain irreplaceable. Embracing this tradition can enrich our lives and relationships in profound ways.